Page 138. Give my regards to Broadway. This piece is intended to be played as a duet, really. Although the way they've done it, I don't know, let's see. If you look at it, it's all melody. The melody's going back and forth between the hands. And this poses a bit of a challenge, because you need it to sound like one hand played it all. So you have to balance how loud each hand is so they're exactly the same. So at the beginning, when you have this, that has to sound like one hand did it all. So you don't want it to hear or be able to tell that you switched hands to a different hand by the sound. You don't want so one hand does all different, or make them blend in so they're both the same, and that's the challenge on this. That and the rhythm. Let's look at this rhythm. It's in 4/4 time. No sharps or flats. C major. I didn't go through that. Okay. So you're starting with fourth finger in here. So your thumb, looks like you're in middle C position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. As far as the rhythm, the trickiness goes, the first measure is about it. You get that, you've got it. I mean, it happens in other places. So take a look at page 139. In the fourth line down, is it? You have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and that's tied. And then in the fourth measure over here, it's the same rhythm. 1, you have a C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's that's the hardest part of the rhythm. Now a little bit of fingering there toward the bottom of page 139. Now next to the last line and the last two measures, you're here. If you don't want to put a thumb on this C sharp, then you're going to have to put the thumb on the D and then come across with second finger. And then in the next line, the first note you can play with third finger, and then you can go back to the fingering they're showing. Otherwise, you just do it the way they're doing. It's up to you which way you go. Now it says brightly, which is kind of fast. You can find recordings of this, how fast. 2, 3, 4. You know, it feels like cut time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. But they put it in 4/4 for some reason. I don't know, but that's it. Doesn't matter. You'd still play it that fast, and you would feel it. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Just make sure that you have the rhythm right. Now, dynamic. It starts out medium loud, and that's about all they give you. Don't give you. You can go up and down as you feel it. Get to know it first, and then you can feel it. How loud. You don't have to stay at the same level all the time. No. So let's play through it very slowly, just to double check the notes and the rhythms. The notes shouldn't be a problem. It's the rhythms. I'm going to give us 4 counts. So you're in middle C position. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4, off. There's a teacher accompaniment for it. I'd like to play the teacher accompaniment part and you play your part, but I'm going to take it more up to speed. So make sure you can play this quickly before trying this out. I have the metronome set on half notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Make sure you can play it that fast. If you can, then we'll go ahead and try this out. I need you to move your hands up one octave. Get out, because it'll sound better, because the accompaniment is using these notes. That's where you are. So just move, just pretend middle C goes up an octave and you're here. And play it all up here. Up here. And we'll try it together. So I'm going to give us 4 half notes. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Is what I'm going to do. So put your hands up here. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go.